right, so what we do is these are algebra tiles, and we're going to have to write two expressions and figure out, what we're doing, okay? So they're showing a sum here. So what I have, this is one expression, all right? Well, what do I have? I have negative x squared. I have one of those. How many negative x's do I have? 2, right? Right here. I'm just saying, just focus on the top one. Just focus on that. So I've got 1, 2. And then how many ones do I have? 4. 4. Well, I'll explain what that slash means in a second. Now what we're going to do is we're going to focus on this expression, right? And so this one I have minus x squared. I also have 2 x's. Not 2 x's. I'm getting ahead of myself on this. I also have 2 negative x's. And then I have 1 minus 1. Okay? Now, there's a couple of ways that I could look at this. That last one, as I scan through here, I don't see anything that fully matches that, right? Do you see that? I don't see anything that fully matches that. So then I think to myself, well, maybe it could be this, minus x squared plus 2x plus 1. And I notice that this one matches that. So now let's jump back. Now let's jump back and see if the first term matches. Does the first term match? Yeah, so this term here matches this. This expression here matches this. And then I just got to make sure the math is right, okay? So I just need to make sure that the math is right. And if the math is right, then that's the right answer. So what is minus x squared minus x squared? Well, it's negative 2x squared. What's negative 2x plus negative 2x? Negative 4x. What's 4 minus 1? 3. Now, the way that what they did here is they said, okay, this negative 1 will cancel with this positive 1. And now you can just count it. I have 1, 2 x squareds. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 negative x's. And I have 1, 2, 3 ones. So the answer here is A. Any questions on that one?